Good morning. I am Christina Dali from the Department of ECE, SNS College of Technology. I am going to present the topic in 5G. So, this is the title of the content I am going to present. So, the introduction of 5G, how the 4G is varied from the 5G. So, what are all the disadvantages in the 4G and why we have overcome to 5G? What do you mean by 5G? What is the need of fifth generation? How it works, advantages, applications, and the conclusions. So before going to see, while seeing the 5G, the first thing we have to know 5G, it is the fifth generation wireless cellular technology. It is designed to offer significantly faster speeds. The latency will be lower and it will be increased capacity compared to 4G. So here when we saw the evolution of mobile networks, so we have used so many generations. We have gone for 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G and all, but there are some disadvantages in the previous generation. The main thing is we have to increase our bandwidth, so it will be in the form of the faster speeds. So the technology has been developed and the latency it will be very less and the capacity will be increased when compared to that of the 5G. That is what we have moved to the 5G. So while we are going to compare these parameters along with 4G versus 5G. So here the speed, the first thing is speed. While comparing to that of the speed, compared to 4G, the 5G is very faster and the latency will be it will be lower when compared to that of the 4G. So we can cover many the distance. We can cover coverage. We can cover all those distance when compared to that of the fourth generation. So while coming to that of the battery and devices also, while comparing to that 4G, so the 5G it will be very faster and it will be very larger. So here we are going to see what is 5G. It stands for fifth generation mobile network and it is the latest technology after 4G and it is designed to be faster and it will be very responsive and it is used to connect more devices at once. So if we want to connect the various number of devices when compared to the 4G, the 5G is very faster. At a time we can connect all the networks. So we can see how the world connects. So how the transforming can be done with the help of the 5G. So nowadays we are running out of the room on the 4G and it will be very faster. The real time technology needs a real time speed. There will be internet of things revolution. There will be economic growth and innovation. So these are all the things we have gone and we have the need for the 5G. How it works? Suppose if we use the multiple frequency bands. So here we are using so many frequency bands when compared to that of the 4G. So here we are using the massive MIMO, that is multiple input and multiple output. The beam forming techniques that has been used in 5G. While seeing the advantages of fifth generation, so when compared to the 4G, so these are all the advantages of fifth generation. The online gaming, so it can be easily assessed. The autonomous vehicle, if we want to travel within the proper duration, so we can go for the GPS. So the network speed will be very fast. We have used in the airports. So in airports, the Wi-Fi connection has been easily easily connected. Suppose if we want to download HD movies, in case of the 5G technology, it can be easily downloaded. And the digital banking what we are using nowadays, that can be used with the help of the 5G technology. So these are the applications of fifth generation. So there are so many applications in the fifth generation. So I have listed some of the applications here: healthcare, autonomous vehicles, smart cities, industry, entertainment and media, agriculture. The first thing, if there is any disease found in the person, we can't easily detect. But nowadays we can easily detect what type of disease that has been occurred for the particular patients. Suppose if we want to travel for a long distance, the GPS, it is easily connected, and we can easily track the things easily. So these are all the applications that has been used in the industry as well as the entertainment. Suppose if we want to play a game, or if we want to download an app, whatever it may be, so this can be done with the fifth generation. When compared to that of the 4G, the fifth generation is very very faster. So while coming to that of the conclusion, already I have mentioned that compared to that of the 4G, the latency will be very very lower, and it will suppress the previous generation in speed, capacity and responsiveness. So here we are using the 5G in smart cities, autonomous vehicles, remote healthcare, in entertainment and advanced industrial automation. So these are all the assessment questions we are going to discuss. So what is the speed, and which type of frequency band is not used in this 5G? Thank you.